You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Ciao amici miei, this is Dimitris from City Tutor. So, the other days I had a chat with one of my really good friends from Santorini, Kostas. He called me, he said, "Oh, hi Dimitris, can I ask you a question?" I said, okay, yeah, sure, how can I help? Have you heard this saying? What saying? He said to me, in life, if you want to have something that you never had, you have to do something that you never did. I said, okay, so what is it exactly you're trying to tell me? Well, you see, I want to be a comedian. So, and since you're doing mathematics, let me give you a maths joke. I said, okay, fire away. So he said to me, do you know why geometry split it with algebra? I said, I don't know, please tell me. Well, because she was really angry from her ex. Well, what I'm trying to say is that in life, if there's a goal, or if there's an ambition that you want to fulfill, you have to be relentless. You have to put some effort, you have to push yourself, and you have to exceed your boundaries, so you'll be able to accomplish your dreams. And trust me, my friends, it will come natural to you. So, proceeding, speaking of maths, today we'll do ratio and proportion. And what a better way to have a chocolate to be drawn on the board. I'm not a great artist, but I will try at least. Okay, so let's say we've got two of our good friends. One is Jake, the other one is Christine. Okay? So, let's say someone's telling us that from this chocolate of 8 bars, they have a ratio 2 and 6. So this is 2 ratio 6. So how much is proportional to every single one of them? The first step is to add 2 plus 6 together. So it's going to be 2 plus 6 equals 8. Now, the next step is to take 2 for Jack over 8, and this is going to be a quarter of the chocolate, whereas for Christine it's going to be 6 over 8. Yeah, and this is going to be 3 over 4. If you try as well, trying to simplify. So if I now try to draw J for Jack in the chocolate and C for Christine, C, by the way, in Italian stands for yes, although it's written with S and I. It sounds the same. So, as you can see over here, this is for Jack and this is the proportion for Christine. Now, let's go for one more example. Let's say the teacher decides to give for Jack and Christine £20. That's not bad. Okay, so let's say that we have the ratio 5, and let's say we've got the ratio 35. Okay? And we have the amount of £20. So 5 is for Jack, and C for Christine is 35. So the first thing we're going to do, like we did before, is going to be, we're going to add 5 plus 35. So the answer is going to be 40. Now, having said that, the next step is we're going to take now 5 over 40 times the amount of money that they're supposed to split. So this is way for us to do is going to be basically, you know that we have a 0 over here and a 0 over here. So I'm going to delete this one with this one. Now I have 2 and 4. So 2 over 4 is the same as a half. So the answer is going to be 5 times a half, or 2.5. Now the next one is going to be 35 for Christine over 40 times 20, which is the amount that they're supposed to, again, split. So, as we did before, 20 over 40 can also be written as a half. So the answer is going to be 35 times a half, or 35 divided by 2, so the answer is going to be 17.5. So out of 20 pounds, Jack is going to take 2.5, and as for Christine, is going to get 17.5. So my good friends, thanks for your time. Don't forget to like this video, try to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends, because sharing is caring. And if you want to find out more information, or if you want to see more videos similar to these exercises, comment in the section below and I'll try to do my best to have a look. Thank you and have a nice day.